Welcome to Piclumen, a free AI tool to generate text to image or image to image. I will walk you through everything you need to know to get started with Piclumen. Click on the link in the description and get started for free. On the Piclumen website, click on Generate for free and choose from different options to sign up for a free account. After that, you get redirected to the Explore page, where you can look at some creations of other people. As you can see, you can make tons of different styles with Piclumen. If you like to see some details of the creation, click on it. You can see the used prompt and other details, like which model did the creator use. There are 4 different models to choose from. Now, it's time to live out our own creativity. To get started, go to the left and click Create. There are many options to adjust your image generation. In the first drop-down, we can choose from different models. Piclumen Realistic, which is the default one, Piclumen Anime for anime images, Line Art to generate images black and white just with lines, and the powerful Flux.1 model. Next we can choose our resolution for the image, whether it's for social media 9.16 or for other platforms. And you can generate up to 4 images instantly to get different variations of your prompt. So let's get started. We want a man with blue eyes and a beard smiling into the camera. Hit generate and in just a few seconds you get your generated image. Awesome! Very realistic, and there are no watermarks if you download it. Hit the icon beside prompt to copy it and try other models. Let's try the anime style. Fantastic! Next one, the line art model. Click generate and let's see. There are so much details on this image, just drawn with lines. Amazing. Last but not least, the powerful Flux.1 model. As you can see, it gets a touch of a cinematic style and marks out each detail of the picture. Wonderful. But there is so much more. For example, if you download the image, as you can see there are no watermarks, which is great. There are many options to customize the generated image, like upscaling, remix, remove background and others. First, we try the remove background option. While it's generating, we look at the other powerful feature, expand. Very helpful if you like to add more details on the sides of the image. Adjust your desired resolution. You can also upscale the image or use a prompt while doing this. In the meantime, our remove background feature is ready. It did a pretty good job. The expand feature is a bit resource consuming, so it takes some time to get finished. We speed up this process. The result is amazing. The image got seamless expanded. Now we try the in-paint feature to redraw specific parts of the image. We want to change the eye color, so we mark them and write the prompt green eyes and hit submit. After some processing time, Piclumen did the exact job we wanted. Very nice. You can look at all options for free by yourself, but I show you the last feature for today. Vary. You can choose whether it should be light or strong remix of the image. And voila, you get a very realistic generation of your base image in seconds. So that was Piclumen, a great free AI tool to live out your own creativity, and all for free. Click on the link in the description to get started. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.